Consistency in manufacturing is determined by the quality and regulatory systems built into the process. Even small variations during manufacturing can affect how a material performs. In tightly controlled environments, those differences don't stay hidden. They surface in later stages of production. At Polysciences, manufacturing is controlled by our ISO 13485-2016 Certified Quality Management System. This system defines how materials move throughout different stages of production, ensuring quality at every step. Each commercial batch is supported by traceable documentation that captures how it was produced. This level of control provides a seamless transition from early development stages into full-scale production without compromising quality. That same system is designed to meet regulatory standards. Polysciences operates in compliance with current Good Manufacturing Practices, or CGMP, and maintains active FDA registration under 21 CFR Part 820. These requirements define how products are manufactured and documented, establishing how quality is maintained over time. Our manufacturing capabilities include controlled ISO Class 7 and Class 8 cleanroom environments that maintain consistent conditions used for manufacturing and filling operations. These cleanrooms operate in alignment with ISO 14644, Parts 1 through 4, and are actively monitored and maintained to ensure performance over time. Quality oversight continues beyond production, with processes that are regularly reviewed and refined to maintain performance. This ensures consistent results as projects move from development through full validation. As a result, customers have confidence that their materials will perform as expected for their required application. To learn more about how our quality and regulatory systems support your product goals, visit polysciences.com to contact our team.